Assalamu alaikum, grade 8. Uh, in the previous lecture, we have studied about molecular mass and formula mass. Now, in this lecture, I will brief you about how to calculate the molecular mass or formula mass of any compound or substance. Okay, so here's an example in our book, page number 13. Calculate the molecular mass of nitric acid HNO3. So nitric acid is a compound and its formula is HNO3. It is made up of hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. One molecule of hydrogen, one molecule of nitrogen and three molecules of oxygen. So as we have studied in our previous lecture, we will calculate their molecular mass or formula mass by adding their atomic masses. But how you will come to know about the atomic masses? These atomic masses are given on the page number 48 in a periodic table. We will study this periodic table in our the chapter number 3, unit number 3, periodic table and periodicity. But we will learn how to identify the atomic mass of an element. So the nitric acid was made up of hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. So you can see on the very top of the table there is an element or atom, that is hydrogen, and its mass on the upside, this is the atomic number, whereas this is the atomic mass. So we can see the atomic mass, it's the 1.0079, but we written mostly in only one. So the next one was nitrogen, and nitrogen is given here, its atomic mass is 14. And oxygen, in the very next column, oxygen is given and its atomic mass is 15.99, and we will write it as 16. So we will write here solution, and first we will write the individual atomic masses. Atomic mass of hydrogen, it was 1 AMU, atomic mass of nitrogen, it was 14 AMU, and atomic mass of oxygen was 16 AMU, and the molecular formula was HNO3. So now we'll add the atomic masses. One hydrogen was only one, so we will write it only one, plus nitrogen was also only one, we will write it one, and in the bracket atomic mass of nitrogen plus 3, oxygen were 3, so we'll write 3, and atomic mass of oxygen, and the atomic mass was 1, its atomic mass was 14, and its atomic mass was 16. So we'll multiply 1 with 1, 1 multiplied 1 is equal to 1, 14 multiplied with 1, it would be 14, and 3 multiplied by 16 is equal to 48. So we will now add 1 plus 14 plus 48, it would be 63 AMU. So any compound that forms three-dimensional solid crystals are represented by their formula. Its formula mass in such cases is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms present in one formula of a substance. So a formula mass is also calculated in the same way of the molecular mass. For example, the formula mass of sodium chloride is 58.5 AMU, and of the calcium carbonate is 100 AMU. Now you can also calculate the formula mass. Calculate the formula mass of potassium sulfate. Its formula is K2SO4. And you can see the atomic mass of potassium, sulfur and oxygen from the periodic table, and of potassium is 39 AMU, sodium is 32 AMU and oxygen is 16 AMU. So the formula unit is K2SO4. You will write first the molecules of potassium. There are two molecules of potassium, two atoms of potassium, and its mass is 39, plus one of atom of sulfur and mass is 32, and 4 of oxygen, 4 multiplied by 16, it is 78, 32 and 64. If you add all this, it would be 174 AMU. Hope you understand these problems, and you will try to solve the problems from exercise also like this. Allah Hafiz.